This is a 2020 Mercedes Sprinter protected with StarLine Pro. So this is a push sequence immobiliser. You can also opt for a Bluetooth tag and pairing your phone so you don't have to go through a code. If a thief got the key to this vehicle, went to steal it, the ignition's going to power up, but it's just not going to start. They're going to be unable to drive the vehicle away. If we keep trying, foot's on the clutch, vehicle's not starting. So for the customer, they can have the tag, get in the vehicle and just start it. If the tag's gone flat, they keep their foot off the clutch, get the ignition on, go through a code, wait for a tone, and then they can start. When they turn the vehicle off, it activates straight away. And this time when they come back to the vehicle with the tag in their pocket, it disarms and starts straight up. No need to go through a code. If this was going back to Mercedes to be serviced, you didn't want to leave the tag behind, you didn't want to tell them a code, you can put it into service mode. To do that, you go onto the tag, you press and hold until it starts flashing rapidly. So keep it held. As it flashes rapidly, let go. We get 2 bleeps in the vehicle and you see the tags turn to orange, which means it's now a normal vehicle. When you get it back, to turn the system back on, make sure your vehicle's protected. Same process again, press and hold, it will go solid and then start flashing rapidly. Let go. 2 bleeps in the vehicle and the tags turn back to green, confirming your vehicle's secure. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit and this is a StarLine Pro on a 2020 Mercedes Sprinter van. Thanks for watching.